What want me people I don't know if I'm gonna do an intro for this video or not. Am I? Should I? I don't know. I guess it's kind of too late. This is the intro. We're dealing with it. Maybe I should say my name. What's up guys? It's Ari. It's Ariel. Listen, my name's Ariel. A to the R to the I to the E to the L. That's me. I don't know what I'm saying. Ugh, who needs intros? We're good. So hi. It's currently 11:24 p.m. I don't have a tripod, so I'm sorry if I'm all up in your face. This camera is kind of hard to hold. So basically I'm about to be I can't speak. When it comes to this time of the night, I'm just almost illiterate. I'm doing a 24-hour transformation and I'm gonna be doing it on a budget, boo-boo. Whoa, I know I changed my outfit crazy. My camera ran out of memory. It's basically 1 hour later. So now it is 12:50 p.m. a.m. sorry. So yeah, like I was saying, we about to be a baddie on a budget. Y'all kids be spending too much to look good. And I'm telling you, it is not necessary. You can save money and still look good. And that's what I'm going to show you today. Today, I am your sensei. Y'all be spending too much on Gucci, Dolce & Gabbana. Is that even a thing still? Or is it outdated like baby fat? I don't wear brands, can you tell? So the first thing we're gonna deal with is my hair. So I'm actually gonna take these out tonight. Rocking your natural hair is one of the cheapest routes you can go. So that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna look cute. We're gonna look like a baddie. And yes, we're gonna do it with 4C natural hair. Watch me. I have on makeup right now, so don't be fooled. This is not how I look without makeup. Anyway, let's do it. So I just wiped off my makeup. My skin is going through some things. Look at this. Like, what is going on? I'm breaking out everywhere. I haven't done my brows in I think a month. They look crazy. So this is the before. This is what we're moving on from. Lego. So it's the next day and we about to get our eyebrows done. I cannot believe I'm going outside like this, but I'm deep conditioning my hair with a plastic bag. So, and the head wrap ain't working, so we going outside with a hat. But don't worry, it's winter, so we can wear a hood and just hide all that mess. So follow me as I go on the path to getting my eyebrows done. I look like a dude. Like a dude. Okay, let's go. I'll be back. Okay. Don't die, don't die. Ooh, ash. Off to the eyebrow salon we go. Wrong direction. We here. Damn Montreal. This ice, bro. You're trying to make me fall.
Minutes later.
Well, that was a bust. Because like the lady was taking so long. Like literally no one was there doing the brows. So I have to go because I got places to be. I got things to do. Let's go find another eyebrow threading place. Just finished my eyebrows. That was my first time going there. They were actually really nice and like, I don't know, they just seemed like they did a good job. Anyway, now to get some makeup, let me teach y'all how to save some money. Jeez! The sun out here trying to blind people, bro. Like, you know when you stare at a light bulb and then you start to blink and all you can see is those like red slash orange slash blue slash rainbow color like circles and stuff? That's what the sun just did to me. Every time I blink. It's so annoying. I don't know when it's gonna go away. I just thought I'd share that with you. Okay. I just got back home to get my sister because I'm about to go to Pharmaprix to get like some cheap makeup and she's temporarily working at Farmer Priest, so you know, we got the 30% off hookup, you know what I'm saying? So I was like, why should I go there without her? So I drove all the way back home for us to go get that 30% off. I look so crazy. This hat makes my head look like an egg. Not even an egg, like a potato, a deformed potato. I don't understand. He's still bust though, you know what I'm saying? The plug has reached the building. Bridget, see the plug? Plug that here, you know what I'm saying? So we about to go get our 30% discount. When pharmacy cares about you, that's just for us. That's just for us. You almost fell down at Montreal. All right, let's go. From I think this is called Shoppers Drug Mart everywhere else. I think it's the same thing. Wow, no sales today. No sales today. But anyway, we're about to get a $15.99 foundation. I am... Shoot, what color am I? I forgot. Lisa, what color are we again? Are we warm sun, or are we toffee, or are we golden? Toffee. I forgot. It's toffee. We getting this one. Now off to the nail salon. Got it! Girl, you thought. Ooh, and they got a sale for $2.99. I want a baby pink. Yep. Do not panic. I'm barely moving my face. So, I'm doing a face mask right now. It's totally cool. Oh my gosh, you see my closet. We're gonna hide that. Oh, it's so hard to talk. So, I'm using the infamous Health and Beauty Aztec Secret Indian Healing Clay. World's famous powerful facial deep pore cleansing 100% natural calcium bentonite clay. So I got bentonite clay on my face, y'all, because I'm bougie like that. Just kidding. This is like one of the cheapest face masks I could find. So we're gonna leave this on for about half an hour. 2 hours later. I think I had this on for way too long because it's starting to like low-key hurt. Like my eye feels weird. I don't think that's supposed to happen. Like my eye is hurting and my sinus. I'm gonna go wash this off before I die or something. Okay guys, so now we are moving on to here. We're about to do a little bun because, you know, buns are free, unlike weaves and wigs and braids and all that stuff. Remember, this is Baddie on a budget, right? So we're about to do our budget bun. So let's get into this bun. So, makeup. We're gonna slay this makeup and we're gonna do it with cheap products. The first thing I'm gonna do is my lip balm. Ooh, that feels good. That feels nice. That feels nice. Like sugar and spice. Hey, so nice. So nice. I use Blistex because nothing else works in the winter. So I always start with my brows. Let me get all up in your face, get close and personal. Okay. Peep the edges. Peep them. Peep them. Peep them. Y'all see that? We're doing strokes today in the direction of our hands. Now we're using this half done concealer. I'm always scared that I'm gonna mess up my brow with the concealer. Random. I like a little fade in the front, so we're gonna just brush that out. This brow is fade, 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 fade. Foundation. Pump that on there. I just put on my lips one time to get like a plain surface. Contour. Or you could use this. I stole it from my mom. Don't tell her.
She's gonna already know.
Shh. I never take this one though. So mom, if you're watching this is like first time borrowing this. It's because I'm doing a video. Ooh. Oh. Y'all see that? Looks like a truffle. This looks like chocolate. I kind of just want to eat it. Whoa, this is really good. Concealer. Mother, I have to borrow yours. But I'm only gonna use a little bit. I ain't gonna use a lot. Just a little bit. Blend that out there. Contour part 2. Highlight. Y'all, don't sleep on Maybelline Fit Me Loose Finishing Powder. This thing is crazy. You can't tell me this don't look like that fancy Lise Watier. Is it Lise Watier? What's that brand everybody always going off of? I can't remember what the brand name is. Listen, this was just on sale for like, I think 5 something the other day. Resist the temptation to blow. I'm telling you, you won't understand until you're in the situation where you just see all this loose powder on the brush and you're just so tempted to blow. Girl, don't do it. Okay. Blush. My favorite color, which is right here, is actually not right here. This is such an amazing blush color. It's just... And this one was the second to best, and that's why it's done, and now we're on the third to best. Eyeshadow, people, eyeshadow. I'm using this and then the brown, and then I'm gonna be using either this one or this one. I don't know. I'm just gonna play around with the palette. I might even use this pink. Like, I don't know what's going on. I'm like really not good at eyeshadow. Eyeshadow is not my thing. I just play along with it until something happens. Oh my gosh, Elise is coming into the room. Oh my gosh. I'm talking to my people. Why are you smacking your gum? I feel like it's just so disrespectful. Wow.
Wait, so you...
Can y'all hear her smacking that gum? Like, that is actually so ratchet. Yeah. Okay, let's do some eyeliner. Because I like eyeliner. Bruh. I'm so disappointed. We'll clean it up after. Oh my gosh, y'all. I'm about to be 23. Wow, adulting. I don't like adulting.
See, you're the adult here.
You know what, y'all? I didn't do too bad. Bottom liner, let's do it.
It extends. Instead of it straight, it can bend.
Okay, girl. We're coming together. Wow, I don't want to put on lashes. I don't like these lashes. I want to do lashes, but I'm just so lazy. Y'all, I am not doing lashes. I want to be an Instagram baddie right now, but I just can't. I'm sorry. Usually I use like a MAC lipstick to do my brown outline, but again, we being cheap today, so I can't cheat. Yes, I'm using the same pencil that I use on my brows on my lips. Fight me. 90s lip liner on point. Focus, damn it. There. NYX lipstick. It's almost done, so you're gonna barely see the effect of it, but we're still gonna use it. Concealer, and just put it in the middle of your lip like that. Just gives like this little cool color. And finally, I'm gonna go and spray with my Master Fix.
What's that?
Yo, you see the magic that happens after you spray your face? It's like it just makes your whole makeup look, just takes it to another level. Girl, I almost forgot my highlight. The devil is a lie. Almost had me doing this look without glowing up. Like, what? We're gonna use this over here. Come through with the glow. Now we got it. Don't forget to blend, people. Those head ties be trying to trap us, making us look crazy going outside, but we will not have it. We will not have it. So now we're gonna get our outfit. I don't really go shopping like that. I just shop online and I get stuff for really good prices, or I get mad cheap clothes. So I'm gonna show y'all those websites. I love sweatpants, y'all don't even understand. Guys, I found a sweater for $10. It says $19.96. Anyway, we're gonna wear this one. Wow, I'm like really like up in you guys' face right now, but yeah, we're about to do our nails because we're not going to the nail salon because that's expensive and we don't have money for that right now. So
cut your foot.
And they cut your foot, thank you. So yeah, we're doing this by ourselves and it's gonna be okay. I hate doing my nails, so don't judge. I'm not a professional, but we're just gonna, you know, figure it out. This is the moment of truth, the left hand. This is looking kind of cute. I'm not even gonna front. Excuse my squirrely hands. It's genetic, okay? What up, y'all? So I'm done everything. Wow, this camera's heavy. I need a break. Okay, sorry if I'm talking really soft. It's just like everybody's sleeping in my house. You guys might find it a little weird that I put on a sweater and sweatpants for me to dress up, but like, to be very honest, that's how I dress up. Like, I feel like it's cute and I really love it. Yeah, I could have put on something tight and like whatever, but I just wasn't feeling it. Let me just show y'all my edges real quick. Like, guys, you don't understand. Y'all who have 4C hair, you know how hard it is to sleek down your edges. They're still kind of cute. I'm gonna have to rock like short nails for like basically the rest of my life if I'm trying to play guitar, but I'm okay with that because I never took care of my nails anyway. But yeah, that's it for the video, guys. Make sure that you like this video, you comment down below, let me know what was your favorite part of this video. Make sure you share this video with your friends, and of course subscribe to join the gang so we can hang. So yeah, that's all. I'm going to go shower and just get ready for bed, and I'm gonna catch y'all in the next video. Be good night. Peace.